Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. It's because the energy of this reading could be reversal. And this is not for all Scorpios. For some of you, it could not be your story. It could not be your energy. Divine God and Goddess of all beings. Divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is the love interest for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcomes of this reading. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Two of Pentacles. This is the past situation. We also have the Six of Pentacles. This is the present situation. And let me see. The future is the Eight of Wands. I love this card for you. This is a past movements, success, recognition, and leveling ups. The outcome is the Queen of Swords. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your story and your energy, just leave it, okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is the past situation, is the Two of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Or it could also be that you are attracting an earth sign. For some of you, it could also be that you have an earth sign in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be any other sign. I feel like this is your energy in the past. You are maintaining the balance of your life. For some of you guys, I feel like you are involved in a situation where somebody is juggling on you. Maybe this person is hesitate to choose you in the past. This person could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. This person could be involved in another relationship and now this person is juggling on you. This was happened in the past. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You are trying to maintain the balance of your life. This is related to spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically, and of course, related to your financial status. And if you have business, I feel like you are transferring the funds from one business to another accounts because you want to maintain the balance of your accounts. Or it could also be related to your relationship. You want to maintain the balance between your relationship and the financial matters. Somebody here could be feeling, what do you call this, struggling. Yeah, there could be an internal struggle here for some of you. I don't know if this is your energy or you are dealing with this person who has an internal struggle. Either you or this person with whom you are dealing with. It could also be related to financial matters. And I feel like this person, if you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, I feel like this person is on the limit. Maybe they are now experiencing what you call this, a financial problems, and they needs your support. Or it could also that this is your energy towards this person who embodied the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. For most of you, you are no longer dealing with this anymore. You are no longer in the stage of juggling because you knew your worth. And aside from that, I feel like for most of you, in the past, you are experiencing this. You are juggling with your relationship and financial matters. And I feel like you are no longer dealing with this anymore. For some of you, it could also be that you still have an internal struggle related to this relationship with this person who embodied the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. It could also that this person put you in a third-party situation in the past. Or it could be that this is your energy towards this person, because in Tarot, the energy could be reversal. Somebody here is juggling between the two persons. Somebody here is making a choice or wants to give balance in this relationship. Either you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, and this is your feelings towards this person, or this person's feelings towards you is juggling. Maybe they involve you in a third-party situation if it is related to a relationship, or they are juggling with their financial matters, financial status. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And clarify me, please, why the Two of Pentacles in this reading. Tell me more about the Two of Pentacles here. The Two of Pentacles is clarified as Ente. This is harvest. This is a German language astro cards, which means harvest. Yeah. For some of you guys, you are no longer dealing with this anymore. That you are juggling with your financial status, financial matters, because you are now harvesting what you have planted in the past. Because this is harvest. This is the time for you to harvest what you have planted in the past, and you are no longer in this energy. Or it could also be that this person is feeling entitled to harvest the fruits of your labor, your financial stability. I don't know who is this person. This person could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. For most of you, you are no longer in this energy of juggling your financial matters because you are now harvesting the fruits of your labor. The clarification is harvest. Ente. Yeah. It could also be that somebody is feeling entitled to your legacy, to your hard work, and to your financial success. And they want to harvest it. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, please, why the Two of Pentacles in this reading. Tell me more about the Two of Pentacles here, please. The Two of Pentacles is clarified as rejection, abandon, dismiss, irrational fear. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, and this person is feeling rejected by you. Or it could also be that this is your feelings towards this person. I don't know which is your energy here. Somebody here is feeling abandoned. Yeah. Somebody here is having an irrational fear because somebody here dismissed somebody else in this relationship. It could be you or the person that you are dealing with who embodied the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. But normally, this is the energy of a Capricorn. Could also be that you have a Capricorn in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a Capricorn or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Yeah. You are going to harvest the fruits of your labor. You look. the fruits of your hard work. Somebody here wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. The Two of Pentacles, because this person never chose you in the past. This person chose the other one, and now this person is viewing you as a new perspective, because you are now harvesting the seeds you have planted in the past, and they are feeling entitled to it. But they are rejected. They are cautious. They have an irrational fear to approach with you. Yeah, I don't know, maybe this person messed you up in the past and they are feeling rejected. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, and the present situation is the Six of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing again with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Remember, your first card is also an earth sign. But the Six of Pentacles is embodied the energy of Virgo. Taurus. It could also be any other sign. Either you are dealing with a Capricorn, a Taurus, or a Virgo in this situation. This is related to money, your work, your legacy, financial matters. I feel like this is your energy. You want give and take. This is the present energy. You don't want to be abused and to be used. Because in the past, I feel like you are giving too much. You are supporting with this person financially, not only financially, emotionally, and you are not reciprocated. They take your kindness as your weakness for some of these people. Yeah. Because of your generosity, your kindness, and your compassion towards them, could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And now you want to have give and take. Not only that you are the one who will give, and you never receive even an appreciation from this person. And that's why you realize that balance is the key. You don't want to give and give without receiving anything, without receiving thank you, Scorpio, for helping me, something like this or something like that. I feel like in the past, this person or group of people are taking you for granted. And now you want balance. You are no longer dealing with this situation that you are always giving and not reciprocating or not receiving anything from this person or group of people. Yeah. I feel like somebody here wants to give you balance, to give you give and take. This person could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. If you are involved in a charity, the universe advises you to think twice and ask yourself if you are a beggar or a merchant. Because if you are, it's not bad to help other people. It's not bad being charitable, but you need to save something for your life. This is not being selfish. This is for your survival. You cannot give what you do not have. That's why you are advised here to find balance for some of you in your life. To be aware of spending your money, spending your time to the people. You need to ask sometimes if you spend too much time for this person or money, you help this person and you are not reciprocated. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, this person could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. It could also be a group of people, because this is not only one. The Six of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles. And pay attention the number 2 and 6 or 62. It could also be that you are a 62 years old, 26 years old, or this is the number of your birthday. 26. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, and clarify me please the Six of Pentacles here. Why the Six of Pentacles here for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Six of Pentacles, sir, please? The Six of Pentacles is clarified as communication with the plants. This is a German language astro cards. Kommunikation mit Pflanzen. And this is the clarification of the Six of Pentacles. For some of you guys, I feel like you are advised here to, what do you call this? To spend time to the nature. You are advised here to roam in a place where consists of green nature, the landscape I mean, and you are advised here to communicate the spirit of the plants, because this is the clarification of the Six of Pentacles. For some of you, it could also be that you are alone and there's nobody to communicate. You are alone and you want to communicate somebody else, but you are not trusting with the people around you. You can also go to, or you can also spend your time to the nature and to communicate with the plants, because there is a spirit of the plants as well. Yeah. In order for you to enlighten your feelings, your surroundings, what bothers in your mind, this could also be related to your healing, that you need to continue your healing journey. Yeah. And this is, you need to spend time to the green landscape. This is a nature. To spend time to the nature, because nature is the best healer, and you can meditate and pray there. It could also be that you are bothering with a situation about give and take, because there are people who wants to exploit your kindness, your generosity. Could also be that this person needs your support, that this person is, what you call this, expecting you to support them financially. Or it could also be that this is your feelings towards this person, or this person feelings towards on you. I don't know which is your story here, because in tarot the energy could be reversal. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the Six of Pentacles in this reading. Tell me more about the Six of Pentacles here for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The Six of Pentacles is clarified as withdrawn, single, lonely, solitary. You see? I told you, if you think that you are alone and you need to talk to somebody else, you can also go to the green plants, the nature, because there is a spirit of the plants. You can go and release what you have built inside, because somebody here is choosing to be alone in a solitary mode than to be with this person who embodied the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. You are choosing to be in a solitary mode. You withdrawn in the situation, because I feel like this person caused too much tension, arguments, burdens, pain in your heart. And I fully understand you if you are withdrawn this situation in the past. Yeah. You choose to be in a solitary way than to be with this person or this group of people who caused too much troubles in your life, who caused too much burdens, pain, and arguments. And that's why I told you before that if you think you are alone, you are not alone. You need to spend time to the nature, to talk to the plants there, and it will release your burdens, what you have built inside, to release, to detoxify yourself from this situation that you have experienced in the past with these people who are only taking you for granted, who are exploiting your kindness. They only want your support. And of course, it's not bad to help or to support other people, but we need to think of ourselves as well, because we need our existence. And that's why I feel like for some of you, you are feeling overwhelmed with the situation in the past, and you need to detoxify yourself. You need to spend time to the nature, to meditate and pray, and of course for cleansing and purifying your energy. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, and the future is, this is the Eight of Wands. I love this reading for you. I love this card for you, because this is all about positivity. This is a quick and clear communication. This could also be leveling up, troubles, and jobs. I don't know. This could also be promotion at work. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Or it could also be that you have a fire sign in your birth chart. Normally, this is the energy of a Sagittarius. Could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. I don't know which is your energy here, which is your story here. Could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I feel like there are lots of people who wants to send you message. For some of you, you already received the messages, because this is a clear and quick communication. Somebody here or a group of people wants to give you a clarity through communication. It could also be that somebody here wants to uplift you. This is leveling ups. It could also be that this person wants to offer you a work which is related to travel, or this person wants to travel with you. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could also be that this person wants to have a romantic vacation holiday with you. This person could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. It could also be that you are planning to travel with your family, or you want to travel alone for a vacation holiday. I don't know. There could be a traveling involved here. It could also be that this person wants to travel towards you, or you are going to travel towards this person. I don't know which is your energy and story here. But this is more on leveling ups. It could also be that you are going to be promoted at work, and you will receive a higher salary. It could also be that somebody here viewed you as a perspective, and they wants to offer you a job. I don't know which is your story here, but there are lots of... This is a positive card. There could be, you are going to receive lots of messages, or lots of people wants to send you a message. I don't know who are these people. This is not only one. This is a minimum of 8 of wands. But this is a positive card. Positive messages. Leveling ups. Promotion. Traveling. Take only what fits in your story. This is the future, and I love this card for you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And clarify me, please, the 8 of Wands here. Why the 8 of Wands are in this reading? Tell me more about the 8 of Wands here. The 8 of Wands is clarified as adventure. You see? Adventure awaits. This could be a traveling and work, or somebody here wants to travel with you, a romantic vacation holiday, or you are going to work in the other place or other country, and this is for you an adventure. It could also be that you are going to receive an offer, a job offer, that you are going to travel. An adventure awaits. I don't know which is your story here. This is more on leveling ups. Communication. This is all about positivity. Travels and working, or you are going to spend a vacation holiday. I don't know which is your story here. And this is the clarification. An adventure awaits. I love this card for you. This is all about positivity. And clarify me further. Why the 8 of Wands here? Why the 8 of Wands in this reading? Tell me more about. Thank you, spirits. The 8 of Wands is clarified as finality, farewell, leave behind, and closure. For some of you guys, it could also that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And I feel like you give this situation a finality. You already leaving them behind. You said farewell, goodbye. This is a closure. Could be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And you have a new adventure awaits. Or you are taking a leap of faith because you knew that you have lots of infinite potential. That's why you wave goodbye to this person who no longer serve you in the past. Could also be a group of people. Or you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, and you put closure with this situationship, with this relationship. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and the outcome is the Queen of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But normally, the Queen of Swords is embodied the energy of an Aquarius. It could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be any other sign. This is the outcome. You give this person a silent treatment. You cut off the ties because I feel like you are tired of their BS, their manipulation, their trickery, their betrayals, their backstabs on you. And that's why you cut off the ties of this person. You are no longer dealing with them anymore. You look. Finality, closure, leaving behind, farewell. I feel like you are no longer dealing with them anymore because you knew the truth. You exactly knew the intention of this person, a group of people towards you, and that's why you cut off the access. For some of you, you are no longer communicating with them anymore because you are tired of their BS, and you give this person a cold shoulder. And this person viewed you as a cold-hearted person, when in fact it's not, because you are tired of being nice with this person. You are fed up because you are always nice with this person in the past. Yeah, you look 6 of Pentacles. And this person treated your kindness as your weakness. And I fully understand you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, if you give this person a cold-hearted shoulder because they treated your kindness as your weakness. You give them finality, enough. Yeah. And I feel like for most of you guys, you also block this person in your social media and in your mobiles. Not only cutting off the ties and access, you also block this person or a group of people. I don't know, is this person. For most of you, this is your energy. You are standing in your higher self because you knew the truth. You are not scared to tell the truth. And you are not also scared to cut off the ties of some people who are not true to you behind your back. Those people who tried to manipulate you, who tried to control your life without any reason. Those people who are spreading lies and rumors about you, who are backstabbing you, who wants to knock you down and to destroy you because only of jealousy and envy. And that's why you are no longer dealing with them anymore. For you, you will tell to these people, either you come to me with the truth and clarity, or you don't come to me at all, because you are tired of their BS, their drama, the conflicts that they created in your life. Yeah. And that's why this is your energy. For you, only the truth will set you free. And I feel like this person or group of people are angry, are triggered with you because you are telling the truth. Maybe you are exposing the truth of this person or group of people, and they are triggered on you. Somebody here wants to control you, but they couldn't control you and they couldn't manipulate you because you are strong. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. And you knew the truth. You also knew their intentions towards you. And that's why this is your energy. I fully understand you if you are guarded up because you don't want to be tricked with this person or group of people. You give them a cold-hearted shoulder. This is your energy. Or it could also be that you are dealing with this person who tried to manipulate you, to control you. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or you have an air sign in your birth chart, could be. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, please, the Queen of Swords in this reading. Tell me more about the Queen of Swords here for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising. The Queen of Swords is clarified as YC sign. This is a German language which stands for be wise. I feel like this person tried to manipulate you. You are advised to be wise, to be strategic, to be analytical, to be skeptical, especially if you are going to deal with this person who wants to manipulate you, to trick you, to play mind games on you. This person could be an air sign, could also be a fire sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And also an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. These are the signs come out in this reading. You are advised to be wise, especially if you are going to deal with this person or group of people. For some of you, you are becoming more and more intelligent because you have learned your lesson from the past. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and clarify me, Father, the Queen of Swords here. Why the Queen of Swords, sir? Please tell me more about the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords is clarified as clinging, holding on, obsessing, and spying. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, and or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. This person is still obsessing on you, spying, and clinging on your energy. They couldn't let you go. And I feel like they're spying on your social media because they're still holding on in this situation, their feelings towards on you. They are obsessed. Could be that they are spying on your social media, stalking on you. Could be that you have an Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. They are spying on you, or they are spying on you at your home, outside your home. Could be. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And I feel like they're strategizing and analyzing how to communicate with you, how to approach with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know what they want with you. Be very careful because I feel like they want to manipulate you. They want to play mind games on you. Because they hate it that you leave them behind. You give them a closure. You cut off the ties. You also block this person in your social media and in your mobiles. And that's why somebody here wants to communicate with you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, and or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. I love you all. Bye.